to change your BetterHelp password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your betterhelp.com and make sure you're logged into your account. You can simply tap on the option already registered, login, and then from there you can add in all of the credentials of your account and then log into your account, right? So you can either use the application version of it, it really does not matter. So like I said, all you need to do is make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, we'll of course get into the dashboard of our account, right? So on your dashboard, what you're gonna do is simply tap on the account settings that you will be able to see on the top right menu bar. So simply tap on that menu bar, there you'll be able to see the account settings. Once you're logged in, simply tap on that account settings. Then from there you'll actually be able to like scroll down and then tap on login info. After tapping on login info, you can now tap on change password. So you'll actually be able to find that option. Simply tap on change password and then type your existing password, then enter your new password and then click on save, and that's all you need to do in order to change your BetterHelp password.